Look at all the people that performed as in extraordinarily paranormal abilities. When did they die? How long did they live? Their Jesus was killed at the age of 30 or going to 33. Welcome to another Women and the Series. It is a Tobe C. Colombo. Today I want to discuss on the overall benefit. The overall benefit of ego more. Before the image, if I'm the knife, you got the knife. Who's all for? The overall benefit. Neba I say gono, or can I ban you fear connect? Or coconut ban me, and you fear a connect. This means while you're on the quest to survive, do not forget to keep your eye on the prize. While on your quest to survive, to walk this pilgrim progress, this journey, do not forget to keep your eyes on the prize. Do not get lost with side attractions. Unfortunately, in this Odinani journey, that is if more dancing the dance of the spirits. Many people forget what the real prize is. It is unfortunate that most people who get into Ife more have wrong priorities or focus more on side attractions. What are these side attractions? Number one, miraculous power. Some people want initially more than and initially more. Most of them jump in because they want to exhibit miraculous feats upon being involved in Ife more, not knowing that exhibiting extraordinary feats or paranormal abilities are side attractions. They are just side attractions. The tendency that you exhibit paranormal, supernatural powers, the tendency that you exhibit such power is 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. That means that 9 out of 10 people that practice Ifemuo will not be able to exhibit these rare abilities are high, very high. This does not in any way mean that those who can perform miraculous feats are more anointed or are getting it right. We must understand this thing. This is a world of normal and ordinary day life. This is a world of as a normal and ordinary day life. Every day I brought 25th December. Every day I brought Gafiolo. This life has been scheduled that every day will almost be normal. So being extraordinary or being abnormal is not a norm. It's not a norm. So any miracle, any one thing do extraordinary and all this kind of these things to happen to their life, you are just setting yourself up for disappointment. Allow it. When it will happen, let it happen. Only about that ability, man can say use it and know when to use it so that it won't even kill you before your time. If I can use the Christian Bible as an example, look at all the people that performed as in extraordinarily paranormal abilities. When did they die? How long did they live? Their Jesus was killed at the age of 30 or going to 33. Elijah, when did Elijah die? Elisha, when did Elisha die? Stephen, when did Stephen die? Paul, when did Paul die? And all these people are mentioning, how many of them married? Even our great DBS, how many of them? Some of them did all these things at a great cost. And you want to enjoy some of the things these people did not enjoy. And yet you think that you can perform some of these extra abnormal abilities and you are praying for them. Most of DBS in Bobo, another one. I don't even want to go there. So stop looking for miraculous feet and miraculous power, thinking that no, the main reason is but a new more. But only the main reason. If you want to live a normal life, please. And most of you want to live a normal life. So stop looking for the miraculous. If you want to live a normal life, stop looking for the miraculous. Only any miracle more through you. Man on her jack hair when in the hour. Broken quaja who kick a which one no dear. Number 2, financial abundance. Ụfọdụ ndị na-abata n'ife mmụọ a ịgọ mmụọ a ife anyị na-eme with hope na mmụọ ya bless fa ha kpere alụsị meelụ nke a godoli eme nke a kwe nkwa mee disu a na mmụọ agọzie fa otu abụchọrọkwa ezi o, especially young people who dive into the C4 Odinani. They are hoping to strike gold mine, believing that killing of goats and cows will open the windows of heaven, fortune for them super abundantly. Well, when this is not the case, they think they are getting it wrong, or there is something wrong somewhere. That perhaps their share on this share is sleeping or is not happy with them. Unfortunately, financial abundance is also another side attraction. Steady. Financial abundance is side attraction. Onye nwe ego ya enwe ego. Onye aya enye some certain things. Aya enye oburu maka ụmụ ife niile. I'm not saying that doing those things are not important. Do it. But there is the main thing that thing is supposed to do for you, not these two side attractions. So this side attraction is what? Jara, Fisi, Mmezi. That is at the discretion of the seller, not the buyer. Ijego ife na aka mmadụ. Mmezi is at the discretion of onye na-ele ele. Ọ bụrụ atingwa na-ego ego. So this miraculous power, financial abundance is at the discretion of the seller. What the seller owes the buyer is giving the person the actual commodity you paid for. Now, having explained these two side attractions that many people who dive into Ife more believe should be automatically their portion, it is now imperative we state the overall benefit of Ife more. What is this actual thing that we are paying for? Aje na acholo, of to na goji na gozu na to. That is what we are trying to talk. What is the main overall benefit of ime ife mmụọ? Ego mmụọ anyị na-agọ now. Now, I repeat, the overall benefit of ime mmụọ, ego mmụọ is not guaranteed, is not even guaranteed daily bread, but what? Safety. Is what? Safety. 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 Ndị be anyị ọnụ anyị walichiri ọzọ asị na ichi ọzọ ọsọ edekwa anyị nka otu akwa ka ọ dịkwa n'ife mmụọ ime mmụọ ọfụma ịgọ mmụọ ọfụma mmụọ edekwa anyị nka mgbe ndị nna anyị ka na-aga agọrọ mmụọ ndị nna afa mgbe fa gọrọ mmụọ ndị isi tọrọ atọ ka nkọ kịta isi a na-atọzikwanụ mmadụ atọ okolobịa bịara ọkpọbiri nwa ọ bụrụ na ndị mmadụ anwụrụkwa gboo dị mana onye ahụ oge eruo na so many people ndị niile na-anwụ kịta ọnwụ niile a safety nọ na-aba ife na-emelụsị arụ ọ ife ha kwesịrị ịdị otu ahụ. So I repeat, the secular benefit of ife mmụọ is safety from seen and unseen predators. Ife anyị na-akpọ n'ọdịnala nke mmadụ na nke mmụọ, amoosu nwoke amoosu nwaanyị, nke mmadụ na nke mmụọ, that's the benefit, protecting you from all this mishap and misfortune. This is what the Christian Bible surmised in these verses. Christian Bible agree with me when it surmises in these verses. When I'm talking about safety now, 1,000 shall fall by your right hand side, and 10,000 shall fall by your left hand side, but none shall by enemies what hurt you. You will be safe. On the side, man, you will be safe. The enemy shall come in like a flood, and the Spirit of the Lord will raise a standard against them. Only the Lord, why appear attack? Attack is the word of survival of the fittest. Again, you shall step upon serpents and scorpions, but none shall by any means what hurt you. This is the meaning of enemy from more safety from every form of attacks. I told you in one of my videos that this is a word of survival of the fittest. Once you know why attack is about attack. But why I got the real this thing benefit is what safety. Etelu ugbo etelu oso to na esi wee nwa isi ya apụta isi nwa ada ya atọ na mba. A na-eji isi nwa dibịa ama otu esi elekwa ọgwụ isi ga ya atọ na mba. Etelu ugbo etelu oso to na esi wee nwe nke uye elu ya aka anyị enwetaghị. That is the real this thing safety. Safety, that is the real this thing from ime mmụọ. Ịgọ mmụọ safety. So many of us take the daily victory and safety which we face, which the forces we break coal and sacrifice to provide for us for granted. We do this, we take it for granted because our eyes are fixed upon side attractions. Anyị na-achọ the miraculous. Ọ na the miraculous na-emere, ọ na-ime ha aka otu a mmiri ezoro, ọ na-ime ha aka otu a mmiri na-ezo anwụ azụ mmiri akwụsị anwụ achawa. I believe na ọhụrụ na ịmụọzi ife ime eme. Ọ bụ eziokwu na ha adịghị ire, ọ bụrụ eziokwu. Anybody that do not understand safety will not know how to count his or her blessings. We forget our ancestral teaching that onye dị ndụ, onye dị ha na ndụ, oke nwa ọnụ ha dị, nwa ọmụ ha dị. This means once you are blessed with long life, which comes with being safe and secured, that unmerited blessings will be yours. Ife niile anyị na-ada achọ anyị na-egbu onwe anyị edowe ha anaghị ndụ iyi enwetacha ha nche niile efu the real uru ụwa. The older the berry, the sweeter the juice. Ụtọ ndụ dị na nka. Ụtọ ndụ dị na nka. It is a shame that many of us judge our spirit forces based on their provision of side attraction. Whereas the safety they provide to make sure we experience one way, we take it for granted. It's a pity. It's a pity that the safety that they provide for us through our daily gorge, Itunzu, Echuaja, we take it for granted. Naturally, na school, that's for not paying school fees. And he couldn't pay school fees, he couldn't even eat. It's not the main thing. Those days of crying, sorrows, later for you to see that it will later turn into joy. That is what matters. Safety. Safety. That is the real benefit of ego more, feeling more. Dialogue. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I would like to hear from some of you. If you have any question, please, you can reach me through the number on the screen, or my email address, or my other social media handles. Thank you. Thank you.